In Gutenberg with StoreEngine, customizing your e-commerce checkout page to match your brand is now more flexible than ever. You can completely redesign your checkout page instead of using the default style. Let's learn how to customize the checkout page in Gutenberg e-commerce using StoreEngine. First, make sure you've already installed and activated both StoreEngine and aBlocks. Then, ensure that your checkout page is properly configured in the StoreEngine settings. Next, go to the Appearance menu and open the editor. From the Templates section, select StoreEngine. Here, you'll see all the default templates provided by StoreEngine. Let's open the checkout page. You'll notice that it contains the default StoreEngine shortcodes for the checkout page, such as the checkout form, order summary, coupon form, and subtotal table. We'll now override them by removing these default shortcodes. First, add an aBlocks container with a flexbox layout. Then open the aBlocks library to find the StoreEngine dedicated blocks. Now, add the required blocks: checkout form, cart list, coupon form, and cart subtotal table. Place the checkout form on the left column, and on the right column, add the cart list, coupon form, and cart subtotal table accordingly. Next, let's start customizing their style and typography. First, change the coupon form button color to match your brand. Then, update the checkout form button color as well. Let's also explore and adjust the typography. Customize the font size, weight, and style as needed. Once everything looks good, save the changes. Now, let's preview the new design. You'll see that our customization is reflected live. Finally, let's change the mini cart button color to match our brand. Go to the StoreEngine settings panel, open the Brand and Style tab, and change the primary color to your brand color. Click Update Changes, and that's it. All updates are now live. How do you like this new level of customization in StoreEngine? I hope you're now more confident in launching your store with StoreEngine. Subscribe for more updates, and thank you for watching.